Okay, we're good. 21. Yeah, I had a problem with 23. The others weren't too bad, I didn't think. There's a lot of, like, you had to do the algebra around it, which was weird.
Right.
We'd never done that before.
Yeah, because like for 20, for example, like I was really confused on how to find the mean. I
Hmm.
have a number there, but I have no idea how I even got it. I forgot how I got it.
Okay, so what I did for that one was you have the mu plus 2 and mu minus 2 standard deviations. And so
Yeah.
I found the difference, and then I found the midpoint of that difference. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Oh.
So the distance I got was 0.93, and then you have to find halfway between that. And so I got 0.465, and then I added that to the bottom number, and that gave me the midpoint in between. Or you could look like a number line and then just like move closer, but
Okay. I
Okay,
actually
that
didn't
makes more
think
sense than
about
what I
that.
did.
Yeah.
okay. We got that one cleared up. But how'd you guys do? Let me look at it really quick. But number 23, I did not get an answer for that one.
For number 3 or 23?
No, 23.
Oh, 23.
I think that's the one I skipped to. Yes, it is, because I could not come up with the answer for that one either.
Like, we already solved in 20 and 21, we solved the mean and standard deviation. So what does it mean by, is it just a
I
definition?
I think it might be the exact same numbers, just listed again. Because since it's like a
Okay.
normal distribution,
Okay.
because that's kind of what happens like throughout some of the questions, like they kind of repeat themselves.
Yeah. Yeah, like there's some of the quartile ones. They asked for the quartile and then they asked for the 5 number summary. I'm like, they already asked us for these numbers.
Yeah.
So, okay, I'll just rewrite that then. That's weird. Were the other ones that you guys had problem with?
Um,
Number 4 for me, the parameter versus statistic. I didn't remember where that was.
yeah, I think that was in lesson 4, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
Uh, where did I have it? Because I got both of them as statistic. Because
No.
that was
I
weird. I wasn't really too
uh,
sure.
I put the parameter as 20 students and the mean 100, and then the statistic being that 112 number. I don't remember what that was now. But, Carlene, what did you get for that one?
That's what I got because I looked up a different website. Because I
Okay.
could, yeah, so because I
20
needed a better
students.
definition of parameter.
Yeah. Parameter versus statistic. It's like the first thing that comes up for when you type in parameter. Okay. Let's see.
Because Because I put something. Oh well, I put
Because it's
both
the
are statistic
characteristic of a
because
population.
yeah, exactly.
Hmm.
It's a population. Because I think well actually I think that's right. Because I think one time there was an example that said that like the country is the population, but the sample is a part of the country or something like that.
Okay. The website that I'm looking on here says the difference is the statistics describe a sample and the parameter describes an entire population. So for that one, I almost want to say only the mean is the parameter. That first, like 100 mean, because it's the mean of the whole population. And then
Yeah, I
they did
think
a
you're right.
sample of 20 students and got that other mean. What do you guys think?
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't even know if the 20 students goes into anything at all, though. Parameters, population, and okay. And then for number 7, I wasn't sure. I put a simple random sample for that one.
Yes, I think it is a simple random sample.
Okay.
For number 7, yeah, I wasn't too sure on that one. I have a question mark, and then I have
Yeah.
next to it cluster sample. So I kind of guessed on that one. I wasn't too sure.
Okay.
No, because a cluster sample is different. A cluster sample is where they take everybody from like one group.
I was thinking it could have been. There's one other sample that we didn't use. It was. Let me find it really quick. Convenience sample is the only other one I was thinking it could be. Because
the reason I didn't think it was that is because it wasn't just the first 6 people they talked to.
That's true.
And that's the only reason I thought. I don't think it's a convenience sample. If it was the first 6 people they ran into in the room, then it was probably that would be a convenience sample.
Okay, because all I have written down for that one is selecting items randomly.
Yeah, but it's
easy to obtain. So maybe that easy to obtain would have been the first 6.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'd say it's simple random. Then. Were there any others that you guys had questions on?
Well, okay, but then then this is okay. The definition of a convenience sample is like an auditor could haphazardly select items from a filing cabinet.
That's why I thought it could have been maybe that, because they're randomly selecting from a jar, not a filing cabinet, but...
So I don't think it is a simple random, because they're not choosing, like, they're not numbering everybody and then giving them all a number and then saying, okay, we want numbers, and then using, like, random.org to come up with numbers.
Yeah, like, the fact that it didn't use a computer made me think it wasn't the simple random.
Yeah, so I think you're right. I think it is a convenience sample.
Okay. Yeah, those are the only ones that I had a real big problem with. So do you guys have any others you want to talk about before we do the quiz? I think the quiz is just filling in our answers.
Yeah, but let's make sure we have the same answers as we go, because
I'm
a little worried that I might have different answers, because there were some that I went, okay, I don't know that I solved that correctly.
Yeah. Are there any that we want to talk about, like, a lot before we, like, go over and make sure before we start the quiz together?
Number 13, that was the only one.
Okay, for that one, I put variance.
Okay. I cannot remember if it was
the squares, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
what were you going to say, though?
No, I couldn't remember if it was called a variance or if it had a different name. So, I was right. Okay.
Yay! Yeah. Woo!
It never happens.
It's always tricky when they have that, like, D, like, none of these, and it's like, well, was there another name? Like, I know it's variance between the first 3, but...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
So we good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Oh, it is different.
Whoa, what?
Okay, well, no. I think it's just they didn't do all of them.
Yeah.
Which that makes sense. Okay, good.
Yeah.
They want to do the ones I got wrong. Mama.
So, number 2, categorical. I would put the toothpaste.
Wait, sorry, my computer's just a little slow right now for some reason.
Okay.
It's still loading the quiz,
Okay.
sorry.
So it asks which of the following variables are categorical, and it's got number of animals in the zoo, randomly selected brand of toothpaste, or age and years of randomly selected vehicles.
Yeah, I think it's...
You could put A and B, like number of animals and randomly selected brand of toothpaste. So those are the options.
Well, okay, why isn't the number of animals in the local zoo categorical?
I think because it's a number.
Because I think because it could change. Because
my thought
for
was,
example, like
okay,
if 10 animals die, it would be 10 less, and it wouldn't be like groups. You know, it's like the
okay,
lions.
Okay, yeah, that's a good point. Because the way they put it was like a quantitative versus a categorical, and because you can count the number of animals, like you
okay.
can't count a brand of toothpaste. So
Because I couldn't figure out if they
were.
were talking about like the number of animals, like they were grouping the animals in categories,
Yeah,
or if they
yeah,
were talking
that's what
about
it
like
was
the
saying.
animals. That was confusing to me.
Yeah.
Like, which way do they want us to count the animals?
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Mean IQ score is 100. Okay, let's see. Which of the following are true? Oh, shoot. Okay, so 100 would be parameter.
Describing population. Yeah, 100 would be parameter, and 112 statistic, I would think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay, so this one would be stratified, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. And then
This other one, is this a cluster sample?
that's what I thought. Because they're taking only 4th grader teachers.
Right.
And then all of that group.
Yeah.
Okay. Name of every person.
Okay, they don't even have.
What? They don't even put it.
I know. I was like, wait a minute.
Oh, okay.
Response, yeah, a simple.
Voluntary response sample? What is that?
I don't.
I think that's when you have a survey and then they can
Yeah.
fill it out.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it has to go back to then the simple random sample.
Yeah.
I think so.
Because it can't be systematic. Let me look at the definitions again.
That's when you have the case, and then every so often afterwards they have a specific system.
Yeah, like every fourth or something.
So it's not that one. And stratified is organized into groups, so it's not that one. And that means it can't be a close cluster either. So yeah, it's got to be simple.
Yeah.
We thought that was convenience after we talked about it, though. Yeah. Now this one I put stratified. This Yellowstone one.
Which one was that one in the thing? Let's see.
It's the one that you've got a group of Democrats and a group of Republicans, and you take a certain amount from each of them.
That's what I said was stratified.
Yeah, stratified.
Sweet. I like that we're on the same page. Calculate. Hard figuring out which one it is in my notes.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
It's starting at like number 9.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Using software, calculate the mean. The mean should be like 4 point. Okay, how many round to 3 decimals? So the mean is 4.771 is what I have.
That's what I got too.
Uh-huh.
I got standard deviation as 1.912.
Yeah.
Yes.
Create the histogram. Cool.
Yeah, I created the histogram. Although I had trouble with creating it, but I did.
Okay.
It should have done it automatically if you used their Excel program.
Yeah, that's what I do. It's
Yeah,
that
I had to download it for some weird reason. It was weird. I had to download a software. It didn't come with mine. It was weird.
a
You don't have
software.
Excel?
Yeah. Yeah, because I downloaded Excel from like the school and they said something about downloading a software and after I did it worked. I was like, okay, whatever.
Huh. Because I
Make
had
sure
to
you
download like an Excel spreadsheet page, like just one page, but it had all of the
Oh,
quick calculating stuff once I downloaded
oh,
it.
that's weird.
make sure you have it enabled too, because that was my other issue is that it wasn't enabled to edit.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I gotta check that out. Yeah, because I'm really bad at these Excel stuff. I don't know.
Okay, let's bring
Let's
it.
see. 11 would be 12. Okay. Let's see.
Nope, 11 would be 11.
Is it?
Yeah,
Oh.
because they did standard deviation mean separately. That is confusing.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
I got negative 0.165.
Yay, I got that. That is when I did 2 times because I kept
Oh my
thinking, I'm
gosh.
doing this wrong. It's way too easy.
Yeah.
I'm like,
And
there
it's
is
weird.
something wrong because this is way simple.
Yeah, it's weird going back to the beginning stuff after having
Yeah.
done the harder things. And then I got 0.681 for B.
Yes.
Yeah.
Quantities, that's variance.
Variance.
What is the standard deviation? Sure. 0.715?
715.
Yeah. 1715. False, right?
Yeah.
False.
I think it was arterial, right? Because it had
No. How come you
more.
said arterial?
Oh yeah, arterial. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I said arterial just because of the larger sample size. Is it like the larger sample size, the more accurate, the
I
results or something like
think
that?
that's only when it's a really large sample size, like 30.
Oh, over 30? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when it's small like these, like they're all just within a couple, I think they're all treated the same. So I
Yeah.
looked at the standard deviation and picked the
Okay.
smallest because that
Yeah,
means
because
they're
I mean, if you kind of
That
go
makes
back to
sense.
where this came from, it made more sense if it was.
Yeah, it's true. It does make sense. True.
So extradural? Is that the. Okay.
Yeah, so Daryl.
I can define standard deviation in my own words. Yes.
And is 18.8?
Oh wait, hold on. You. Oh, I don't even tell. Okay. Yeah, I got 8.
Yes.
And is it 75%
I
behind it
put
all?
50 because 25% is below 4, and we're only looking at
Yeah,
4
that
to 8.
I was thinking that because I wasn't sure. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, yeah, it just got cleared
Yeah.
up because in my head I was thinking everything just before 8.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Estimate the mean of the motion. So this one is that number. It's still number 20.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I
So
gotta
what did I
redo this.
So it was like 0.93 and taking half of that, was it?
So that 0.93 is just the distance between the two numbers, like how far apart they
Okay.
are. So it won't actually give you. It won't be the actual number yet.
Okay.
So it's like saying from 2 to 4, that distance between them is 2, but that's not the halfway point. Like, you have to add
Okay.
halfway to the lowest number to get that halfway point.
Oh, I know what you mean now. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I get what you mean now. Yeah. Yeah, actually
Okay.
makes sense. Okay.
Let me know what you get.
Let's see. So let me keep that number there. Two, two, three. So 1.725?
No.
What did I do?
Let me check my math again, but
Wait, so it was half of the first one, and then adding the difference between the two?
yeah. So you got your distance between the two, that's the total distance, and then that was at 0.93.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have to find half of that distance, because you want in between the two of them. So
Oh,
divide
half
it
of
by
the
half.
0.93.
Yeah. So divide that by
Oh, okay, sorry. I
2.
Yeah, I kind of took half of the first one and then added that one. I don't know why.
Okay.
Okay, so it'll be 0.465.
Yes, that is that half. So that is the half of the distance, and then you have to add that to the starting point. So the starting point's your lowest number.
Okay,
So
so
it'd
it'll
be
be the
1.395.
1.5.
Wait, what?
Make sure I'm doing this
1.395?
right.
So you're
What did-
adding that 0.465 to
Okay.
1.59.
Yeah, okay, so it'll be
Okay.
2.055, would it
Yes.
be?
Okay.
Did you get
That's what
that,
I got, but I
Hillary?
did it a different way entirely.
Okay. As long as you got
Because I was
the
like,
same
you are
answer, though.
confusing me because I did it and I'm thinking, okay, I must have done it wrong because I did it a different way and I'm going to hopefully do it the same way next time.
And
But I got
then,
2.055 when I did it before
wow, okay.
and it worked. Let me figure out.
Oh no, it won't let me type. Oh no, the test froze or something. What is going on?
Can you wait it out? Oh gosh.
If you add just the 1.59 and the 2.52 together and divide it in half, that's what 2.055.
Okay. You can do that too,
So,
yeah. I didn't think about it that way.
Oh no. I gotta open up a new window.
oh no.
Hopefully it doesn't. I hate these tests because sometimes when it kind of like shuts down, it kind of sends it automatically,
Oh
Yeah.
gosh.
and so that's happened to me a couple times so far.
Oi. Is the teacher okay with it? Like, can you switch it?
One time, in one class she wasn't. I was like, really? I couldn't even get to number one. It just sent it blank. I was like, I would have at least guessed it, guessed on
Yeah.
everything. Why would I send a blank test? She was like, okay, fine. Oh no. Why you?
Okay. I don't know how to do number 21.
So for 21, um, you have that formula mu plus 2 standard deviations is 2.52. And we know mu now because we just solved for it. So I just plugged that into the equation and then solved for the standard deviation.
Okay, so 2. Okay, so we're going back to our algebra. Yay.
Woo, yep.
That's probably what I keep thinking. There cannot be algebra involved.
Yeah, seriously.
Continue.
I can do algebra. That makes sense to me.
Okay. And I'd rather do algebra than the stats part.
Well, I just realized that I don't actually have to take this class.
Really?
Yeah.
All
I was
right.
I was working on something and I was like, if I change my major, I don't have to take this class. So if I fail it, I'm okay.
Oh my gosh. I would have no
Because I've been
motivation to
debating
do
about
it.
changing because like I have to do it like right next semester if I'm going to do it, and so I'm like, yeah, that might change my mind.
Oh my
But I
gosh.
found a tutor, so I'm like, okay, I should be okay.
Yeah. What's your major right now?
Right now, I'm doing the university studies, but the part of it is business, and so
Yep.
yeah, so I have to have it for that, and then I'm like, well, maybe I should not do business.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I
Hey,
got
sorry to bother you guys. Sorry, but what you guys get for 11 and 12? Just because mine just doesn't like I think kind of changed.
Oh yeah.
Was
I
it
got negative 0.165
okay.
negative
and 0.681 for 11 and 12.
6, 8? Okay, perfect. And then 13 was variance, and 14 was like point 0.7. Let's see. 14
Yeah.
was 0.715, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You good from there?
I think so. Let's see. 16. True. Yeah. Cool. 22 point 655. Okay. I'm at 21. Cool. 21. 2 plus.
Okay. Did you guys get 21?
I got 0.233.
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. How'd you guys get that one? I'm sorry.
So you got mu plus 2 standard deviations equals 2.52. And from
Okay, yeah.
20, we know mu. That's what we solved in 20. So you just plug that into the equation and solve for standard deviation.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, yes, yeah.
Okay.
So number 22 would be between 1.822 and 2.288.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now that next one, what is the value of the mean of a standard what is, boy.
That's where, yeah, that was the weird.
What is the
It
value?
might just be the same.
That's weird that they'd ask that twice, though.
Yeah, I don't understand why they would estimate the mean and then what is the value of the mean?
But it just says of a standard normal distribution.
Because at the end of the question, it says it is reasonable to assume the measured nitrate concentration is normally distributed. So, like, since we kind of found the mean, I think it would be the same.
Okay. I mean, it makes sense that we're not putting in a word one because, like, he doesn't want the definition. I'm just surprised that they'd want the same exact numbers. But that's all I can think of for how to answer this, so. It doesn't talk about, like, how much to round it by this time either.
That's weird. Value of the mean of a standard normal deviation.
You know.
Are they talking about like z-scores and things like that?
I don't know.
I'm just trying to think like what on earth are they, you know?
You know what? I just Googled standard normal distribution, and it's a special case where mu equals 0 and standard deviation equals 1. I did not know that.
Oh.
Huh. Well, now we know. Shoot. Let me write that down. Oi.
Oh, that. Actually, I think I read something like that once. Yeah.
Oh, that's where the bell curve comes into play, where it's that perfectly.
Yeah, like the perfect bell
So they're not
curve.
asking it. So it's not asking about the questions from before. It's asking a
Nope.
different question.
Yeah.
Okay, so
So
we're
would it
not.
just be 1 or something?
So the mean is 0 in that case, and standard deviation is 1. It's like a very special case. How did I add that? Anywhere in the notes. Oi.
Thanks for giving that in the middle of. I love that my notes are not in order at this point.
I tried to keep mine in order, but
Yeah, once we started taking the quiz, they've kind of gotten out of order.
yeah.
They were really good until then.
Yeah, I don't have anything on that from the actual notes. It's weird. Oh, nope, I found it. It's in lesson 5.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Standard normal distribution when mean equals 0 and standard deviation equals 1. Okay. Well, I'll remember that one now.
Yeah, that I will be remembering that one too, because that.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Probability that a randomly selected student will score above 542.3. About 0.5 for this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. And 0.684 for the next one.
Mhm.
Yes.
And then 0.316.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then 388.
Okay, I did not get that, but I think I did those two in opposite order. Yes, I did, because I got that for the 28. So I think I flip-flopped those.
Oh, okay.
I was like, wait, no,
Yeah, you want to.
because when I did it, I was like, that's really a lot, you know. I was like,
Yeah.
it's
You
like
want to have
there's
a
something
bigger
wrong.
number. Yeah. Oh, 96.
Because the other one is 697, I believe.
Yes, that's what I got.
Okay. Yeah, I was like, that's hilarious. I was like, man.
Oh my gosh. Now you know.
I was like, I'm glad I did the math right, but
Yeah.
when I did it, I was like, something's wrong there.
Okay. What number was that we were on? We just finished 29. So 30, I got 461.
Okay, that's what I got.
Okay. And then, Abe, did you get that?
Yeah, I think so. Just like I don't know why. Like it's taking me a long time for my Word document to show up when I'm switching back and forth.
Okay.
Let's see. For number 30, 4, yeah, 461. Okay.
Okay. And then 624 to 31.
Yeah, that one I actually left blank for some reason. I don't know why.
Okay, you know how to do that one though, right? Like it's the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, third quartile.
Okay.
Simple, simple. Advanced.
Let's see, and then 32, I got 542.3 again.
Okay, I didn't get that. Let me redo my math.
For that one, I thought that the mean does not change.
Oh,
Like the
yeah.
standard deviation is over radical n, but I thought the mean stays.
Yeah, the mean stays.
Okay. That one would stay 542.3, right?
Yeah,
That's what
Yeah.
we started with?
that's right.
Okay.
I probably lost one of my lovely parentheses somewhere around on the way. Or I miswrote something.
Yeah. And then for 33, I got 31.123.
$31.123, was it?
Yeah. Did you guys get that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Right.
what did you get for number 32? Because I still got some crazy answer.
32 shouldn't change. Like, they gave you the mean at the beginning of the problem, and then it stays the same when you switch it, when it's the sample mean, the distribution.
So the mean should still be 5. Okay,
542.3.
okay. Because I keep trying to do it in, like, okay,
Yeah, you shouldn't have to do any calculations to it.
okay. Then how did you get number 33? Because obviously I'm doing calculations and I shouldn't be, and I.
Oh no, 33 you do a little bit. So 33, you do the standard deviation that you had divided by radical n, and n is 15.
Okay, there, I did get 31.123. Okay,
Okay.
what is the. Let me redo this problem. This last one. Because I did do the.
So I got 0.032 for the last one. You get a number yet?
I got the. I got this. Thing, I don't. Okay, so this is what I did on the last homework assignment is that I would get it and then I'd put it into that probability applet and I would not get the right. I would not shade the right information. So I'm trying to make sure I'm doing that this time.
Yeah.
So greater than 600, it would just be this one, 0.032.
Yeah.
Because this time you would only shade the very farthest.
Yeah. And when
Okay.
you say round to 3 decimal places, they mean like first 3
Yeah.
after the decimal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Because they will count it wrong.
Yeah, as we saw last week.
Yeah.
So are we good? Did everyone get everything?
Yeah. That's what I'm making sure of. Yeah. Everything's good. Let me submit.
Yeah, let me double check make sure I got my decimals in the right place.
Mm. So it wasn't variance apparently.
Oh no, I just saw that.
Because like in my homework, actually, like originally I had none of these are correct. I wonder if that's it. Because
I
I
wonder.
couldn't get the correct variance answer for it, but maybe my calculation was wrong.
Yeah, I'm gonna Google it.
For the number 13,
Yeah.
you think it's none of these?
Yeah.
Yeah, it
I
could
don't think
be.
it's any of those other ones. How to calculate variance. Let's see. Oh, okay. So the variance is one more step. You have to take the average of the squared differences, not just the squared differences added up.
Oh yeah.
I didn't realize that. Shoot. Hmm.
Pretty good score.
Yeah, I'll take an A.
Don't complain for an A.
Yeah. Why? I'm really hoping the exam does not take the full 4 hours.
No,
I
he
was
said in
just
the
reading.
office hours that it should probably take about an hour.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Is it timed by any chance? Did he
yes.
say?
It is
You have 4 hours.
Oh, okay. Oh
Yeah.
wow. Oh well, yeah, 4 hours is a long time, but still.
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't take 4 hours.
I really, really hope it does not take 4 hours. Oh man.
Yeah, hopefully it wasn't like 1 hour for him, because like the teacher already knows it all.
Yeah. Yeah. True.
Yeah, I don't like when teachers say that. Well, it took me an hour. It's like, oh great, it's gonna take me 6 hours then.
I don't think it's that. I don't think it's like. I think he said that most of his students do it in an hour. So
Okay.
Okay. Phew. Oh. Was that due tonight? When's it due?
tomorrow,
Tomorrow. Okay.
yeah.
Oh great. Okay. Do it tomorrow.
So do we want to postpone our meeting to Thursday? Could we do like 4:30
Oh yeah.
or 3:30? Sorry, 3:30.
3:30 Thursday? Sure.
I have class from
Until what
3
time?
till 4:30. No, wait, 3 to 4:45.
So that's 5:45. So yeah. Okay, that wouldn't work.
Okay.
So I guess we'll stick with tomorrow then.
Okay, we could
Yeah, we'll
do-
try to stick to tomorrow. Yeah.
I don't know. I'm just trying. I was like, I gotta take the test tomorrow because I'm not
Yeah.
making it tonight.
Yeah, I can do it. I can meet anytime tomorrow. So if the test we end up having to do longer, I'm good.
Yeah, I'm
after
gonna finish
4:30,
studying tonight.
So
Take it tomorrow.
okay.
Well, I'm nervous, man.
I know. I think I'm gonna try and
Don't
take
be
it tomorrow.
nervous.
Man, math is my worst subject ever.
Oh gosh.
Oh man, science is great. I'm fantastic in science. I don't know what it is, like in
Science
anatomy
is
and stuff.
math.
Science. There's a lot of math in science.
Yeah,
It's a very different kind of math than statistics.
true.
Yeah, yeah. Well, like I'm really bad at chemistry because chemistry is a lot of math. But for some reason, I enjoy physics for some reason because it's not the
Physics
numbers
is
that
a
get
lot
me.
of math.
Yeah.
Like it's weird because I see physics more as like common sense for some weird reason. Like sometimes I really don't, because like I need to memorize certain like mathematical like equations, but then sometimes I just kind of understand it better or something. I don't know. It's like just from guessing, I would know. It's well, it's either from 20 to 50. So if I get like a lower number than 20, it's wrong or something like that.
Okay.
It's weird.
Okay, that's true, yeah. Whereas this is more like shot in the dark kind of stuff. You don't know if you're completely wrong.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Well, good luck on the
Well, good
test,
meeting.
guys.
Yeah. Good luck, guys.
See you tomorrow.
All right.
See you tomorrow, guys. Have a good night.
Too.